Friend me che me yapio. Ojo friend me che papa me yapio. Me yapiti.
Ebusia sesia de eye prophet Adum Cheidua nani abriye sesia de he is on an arrest mission ene wudi agro de obema ya chiw sesia sofu bi ho aka adwamu ya so nim se ekua ene esu de esewani ense wo kachire
ami body chame right na my body why dey me can yapia man kebia
aha let's talk GH rumors and any first timer pop into my video, make sure so subscribe mami. Now click on notification bell on the any upload about on sabit miaka. No share my for abeshe no like so. Don't forget say any comment be I want to be comment section or mami. Na yenim say a free America kremu die obi atwefo a ene so odi software atem no odi software atem ene sofo Adum Cheidua ana ehuna mane wonkofo anum asofufu di na tem eye ordinary people di na tem ene nkofo twabo ni ye wo media no so na sesia de waba kase wo awunnim a obema wano atra ne de woni ubedi no nyonyonyo waka ose na asore ho wo titru ni abrempon asofo nketewa wo eye lawyers wo judges wo bibiara ene nurses obi a woye otitiru bia wo bi wona sori wonti ene o de be fe so de onu si de be hia wo asisi ade ne bu afu yie pa enti no eno enam so ma yesofu bia ndidi ojabofo me de be somo wo share description box wono ma link ne eda hono me the story ne be somo se eja sofu bia ndidi ojabofo ene wo die yesofu Adum Cheidua atempa eme bi kan eye ne ho kani ne yira won ne da sori ene sofu ye nsusu ani atem odi atema de ma me private party nyina edi natem enam so ema ene eja sofo eye Adum Cheidua fans pe ne ma police force oni mu se ekua ana fofo nso aba pastor bia ne din ede Pastor Frempong ene ono so akọ didi eye prophet Adum Cheidua atem ama prophet Adum Cheidua so ma police for asoni mu se ekua na asem no ni tintini tietiem nya ne se eye pastor Frempong yi when you preach multi TV channels ni biso na ene ogusu a wo preach ne ene asofofo e wo Ghana enum binum na wode nanu asi wo mu a wodi o matem nti ogusu a wodi atem no ene ye nipa na wo hwe eye TV no e record no enti eno ho asem no na ene di atem no de so wodi asofofo ni nyina atem no obi a record but edu eye sofo Adum Cheidua so no ensema wo kan yen ebini
Hayaya, Gantwa, Gana Apostle, Enkre Apostle, Togo Apostle, Aide Apostle, Esrema Apostle, and Fantif Apostle, and Santif Apostle. One Apostle Yamo was to tell Lavinian because the great Bible, even Yamijina, I bet Apostle Yamo was to tell me. That's it. And then you put serious one out your words. And you put serious one out your words. And the young man can't see us yourself. Baby, when we are saying, but as I can and soon say that it is a young man probably said, baby, when we are here, when you probably hear very, very extra care. And I'm saying, I can't see any person. Baby, we are saying, when you Panama, no, did you walk for? Nipanama, no can answer rough. Now, so what's that? Panabunte, I will see you in Yasan. Kwana won't pour down here. What is it? With the main contour, a police is one side, I think that one side. And you're not a good table. And you're not a good table. Ghana's one point from the to that give the salad to Adum and his men, young quite fool. Young combat in quite when you apply the name Jesus, not the full now shall I want to be gentle. Now do you apply Yamana, one more tongue, so do you apply Sanyama, not Sally Pan Shamu Kumi. Ah, won't you be gentle?
Ebusia eye sofo frimpon ane yakwohwe na ba che eye prophet Adum Chedua na ene wo di na tem no na eno enam so ama sesi ade ne hu aka edwamu eye prophet Adum Chedua ode ose ayoyo se de o kan se ne sesi ade wo di hia na ode be hia no wama police for aso pastor frimpon mu a sesi ade akoye awehosem ama ne yie pa
I just want to be chair, be happy. I just want to be chair, Papa, be happy. Be happy. Now, make happy. Make out just somebody, Papa. I mean, body channel, why am I body? Why do you make here? Man, get
eye pastor frimpon na esu no nipa na wodi atema cheste now ye nyina ka se wo ye man enough to face eye prophet Adum Chedua se ba critical se si ade wo su a wo patch wo abeg mi nye biem na eno nam se na okopiem social media nso a ye gidigidi pa se emfa ho se papa no or yes of crying fast of the quantum chain. I think he's old enough. Senka obe here respect kakra. Waname boa. But I said the attempt no air doors. Think of for be bread or comment about concerning a chenam. Prophet Adum Chedua ama ye chichichi asofo na ne yenchi asofo kwa chi asofo be 5 ojabofo ene ye pastor frimpon ya chi ya chi shompo mu nyina aka ho na comment enkofo de abadie esewani ense wo kachre Pastor Benda Wonderful AJ Osem. I'm a pastor myself, but one thing I will not do is to insult a man older than me. Pastors in Ghana lack love. Now, their sermon is Adum instead of Jesus Christ. But Adum too is a brother in Christ. Nes asema waka nyina say, ono no boye sofo ni bi, but oma na no ntia wo bi a wonyini che no, but aye sisi asofo no. Omo jai se omo be kire de Nyankopon se omo nkire no na eye sofo Adum Chedua no mo de na ye tuapia de bia omo twabo na ne osa be kan say eye pastor Benda Wonderful no osa ka say I beg Adum to stop arresting them. He that has sent him will defend him. Na se owie no de chewpa ema prophet Adum Chedua say be ya unforget omukra no njai se ochiche omo no na Nyankopon na wo soma no onu a ebe defend no ena eye Rashad also say why is this pastor acting like he is not a pastor? See, all this shall pass. Even TB Joshua is dead. That is a way dear or no so throw a shade at the prophet Adum Chedua watch say I don't know want to say 1 year so when you need to be even TB Joshua crampuno sebi watwana nanom ewon siedo ena Juliana himsi or same this Adum Chedua who does he think he is? I will be say prophet Adum Chedua kwa or na adwen che ni say woye hwan ene wabenya response Philadelphia ba Mercuria Diobe and ono so aba wo respond was same he is the voice of God, the Christianity changer, the man of the moment. He is the Ghanaian pastor's nightmare and the last man standing. Aha, naturally the way the Philadelphia but it was same woye nyame ene wasan so Christianity no no na esisa Christianity ono so na man of the moment ono na teso afi so ono na pastor asofofo e wo Ghana nyina esuro no ene another user ni din e AMG $12 was him. So he couldn't arrest Reverend Obofo for insulting him, but rather small pastors. This story no clear. Not just say in himself, maybe a chair muna and Tawansa wakakra ewo. Prophet Adum Chedua any Reverend Obofo and Semaka Kasa bi by. As some obusan say adinti na wa me anchi Reverend Obofo. Na asofo nkitin no ama ye chi omo na chese asem no emu en na ho ema no. Ene ensem no de eye bebre na nipa ba kwa ne din the voice for the voiceless or say is this the same man who was doing tobe or another person? I'm confused. Then so no kasa afaye pastor frimpon ya na wogina ni TV station wo di atem wo de ani die ma panyi hu hia fisem panyifo respect your reciprocal de ba papa ne meka wa ehu hia se ukoka no nti asem no tintini ni tietie mu ano no na esisi ade medi mani di atwire se arrest fufuro bi because wa na so bibi foforo ebesi a me de beba abeso mo any comment bi a wo no obetimi eja comment section wo e de ama me meka wo say ye beto aba ehu pehia say ye Ghana fo ye bebo ye somdwe hu ban o my Ghana ye somdwe man bidin e de na ne kwasanso makram